Assalamu alaikum and good morning again to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are doing great, feeling fantastic, amazing, and enjoying the day and enjoying the lectures as well. So we are in our numeracy class right now, and we are going to do a little more about odd and even numbers. So let's start. Okay, we have done up till 10 odd and even numbers. So I think we are going to practice a little more and see what we can find after 10, the numbers with odd and even, right? So I think I will just write the numbers on the card as well, and then we will be putting the red dots over here, so we will get to know which number we are doing over here. Okay, so first of all, I think we should do I'm going to write random numbers right after 10, so we will see which number is odd and which number is even. So I am going to write here 12. Okay, so now these are the bigger numbers, so we will be even looking at the bigger numbers, odd and even, which is the odd and which is the even number, right? So we are going to put them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, right? So we have 12 red circles or dots over here, and now by looking at them you can easily see if even if it's a big number, you can tell that whether if it's an odd number or if it's an even number, right? Now you know that all the even numbers, they make pairs. There's nothing left alone. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 12 makes the even number. Yes, 12 makes the even number. So this quantity, showing you the quantity, makes you clear that which number is odd and which number is even number, so that you will retain that. You will remember that for the longer time, right? So in the same way, I think we should write a little more bigger number. So I'm going to write now 1, 5, 50, right? Now here we have a bigger number, 15 over here. So we are going to put the dots, 1, 2, 3. You're going to count with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then, right? This is clear to you? Yes. Now 15, what 15 makes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You see, this is the odd one out here. So 15 is an odd number, yes, because there is one left alone, which is the odd one out. This is the out one, which is here. He does not have a friend. Now this even gives you, for the bigger number, a clear idea that this is an odd number, right? So that makes it very, very clear to you. So by showing you the red dots and showing you the quantity, that only means that you can easily get the idea that how this is an even number or odd number, right? Okay, now we're going to write a little more bigger number. I think we should go for 20. 20, bigger number. Okay, so what if I put it like this? So, okay, now we have 20 over here, and we will start putting the counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oops, this will take more space. 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, I hope you can see all of them. Yes, you can see all of them, right? So now here is like 20. We have number 20 over here. I'm going to put it over here so you can see that. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now they all make pairs. This make pair, this make pair, this make a pair, 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 and pair. There's nothing left alone over here. So this means that 20 is an even number. Yes, this shows that 20 is an even number. That is great. See, this is how you can easily tell that. So I hope you have played the game with your friends as well. Oh yes, that's great. So you must have enjoyed that. So you can just tell them whether if it's a big number or a small number. You can easily tell that this is an odd number or maybe that's an even number. Okay, so we will do another number. We will do another bigger number than 20. So this time I think we should do 25, right? Should do 25 or 23? Let's do 25, okay? Now we have even bigger number with us. This says 25, okay? Now we're going to put the counters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, right? 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Wow, now look at this. 25, and they're all 25 counters over here. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Now, this one is the odd one out. This one is left alone. This one does not have a friend, right? So you can easily tell that 25 is an, yes, it's an odd number. Odd one out, right? This is an odd number, which we have. So see, now like this, you can even write bigger and bigger and bigger words, numbers, and you can put the objects to counting, and if there's one left alone, you can easily tell that this is an odd number, right? This makes it easier. This exercise very easier for you to even learn about the bigger, the larger number very, very easily, right? So I hope now you get the clear idea about the odd and the even numbers, and now you know that how many counters you have to put, and if there is one left alone, so that means that is an odd number, right? I hope that now you have all the clear idea about the odd and even numbers. We have done a couple of exercises. We have done the exercise with the pegs, and we've done the exercise with the dice as well, and we've done the exercise with the counters as well. So I hope now you're clear about how we can tell that if it's an odd number or an even number, and you can easily recognize the odd and the even number, right? So this is it for today's class, and I'm going to see you inshallah in the next class very soon. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever we have. So I'm going to say you till we see each other inshallah. I'm going to say you bye bye and Allah Hafiz.